Hello, and thank you for using MyFacilities security management system for access control. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use the Access Manager's category feature. Under Access Manager, you have four options: cardholder, category, area, and area set. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be using category. In category, you will see your add, delete, or edit category buttons. Underneath them, you have a filtering mechanism, and below that you have your list of categories you have access to. You can filter through your categories by name, notes, or category ID. To add a category, simply click on Create Category. You will be prompted to add a category name and category notes. Category notes is optional. Once you are done, click on Create Category. The request will process and your category will be created. To delete a category, simply click on the category you want to delete and click on Delete Category. You will be prompted to confirm or dismiss this action. Click Confirm and the category will be deleted. To edit a category, click on the category you wish to edit and click on Edit Category. You will be prompted to edit the category name or notes. Once you are done, click on Update Category or Cancel if you do not wish to edit the category. To add or remove access by category, begin by selecting the category you want to work with. Once you select the category, the section will appear below on the screen with different options to add or remove access. Let's begin with exploring this section. There is 4 available options you can choose from. Cardholder membership lets you add or remove cardholders on the selected category. Area links lets you add, remove, block, unblock, or edit areas that belong to the selected category. Area set links lets you do the same as area links. You can add, remove, block, unblock, or edit area sets. And lastly, offline locks just lets you see all the records linked to offline devices that belong to the selected category. Each of these options have a filtering mechanism to help you find what you are searching for. Now, we will be focusing on the first 3 options. To add a cardholder to your selected category, begin by selecting cardholder membership if you're not already there. Now, click on Add Cardholder and you will be prompted to enter a Panther ID, name of the cardholder, or cardholder ID, if you know it. Once you're done typing it out, you can click on the search button or just hit enter on your keyboard. If you do not know the Panther ID, cardholder name, or cardholder ID, you can partially type what you know and it will return the cardholders that match what you searched for. Once you hit search, it will return a drop-down list with what you searched for. Select your desired cardholder and click Add. You can select multiple cardholders if you like as well. Once you are done adding cardholders, you can view them by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see a cardholder you do not wish to add, you can click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. When you are done reviewing your cardholders, you may click on Finish to successfully add the cardholders to the category. You can filter through your list of cardholders by their cardholder ID, Panther ID, or name, either with a complete value or partial value. To remove a cardholder, simply click on the cardholder or multiple cardholders that you wish to remove and then click on Remove Cardholder. You will be prompted to confirm this action, and by clicking Confirm, you will have removed the cardholder or cardholders from your selected category. Let's move on to adding an area to your selected category. Proceed with changing to the Area Link section. You will have the ability to add, remove, block, unblock, and edit an area. You can also filter through your list of areas by area ID, area name, or time zone. To add an area to that cardholder, simply click on Add Area, enter the area name, description, or ID. Once you're done typing it out, you can click on the search button or just hit enter on your keyboard. A drop-down list will appear with your search results, and you may select your desired area you wish to add. You can also select multiple areas if you wish to do so. Once you've added your areas, you can view them by clicking on Edit Selection. If you see an area you do not wish to add, you can click on the trash bin icon to remove them from your selected group. Once you are satisfied with the area selected, you may proceed by clicking Next. This next window allows you to conveniently edit your area. You also have more options by clicking on Advanced Settings. Once you are done editing your area, click on Finish. They will now appear in the area list in the bottom. You can also remove an area or multiple areas by selecting from the list below and clicking Remove Area. You are then prompted to confirm or cancel if you do not wish to do so. To block or unblock an area or multiple areas, start by selecting each area and clicking Block or Unblock Area. You will then be prompted to take an action. Select your desired one, whether it is block or unblock, and your request will be processed. To edit an area, select your desired area, click on Edit Area, and you can update any information regarding that area as you like. When you're done editing the area, click on Update. Lastly, for area set links, they work similar to areas. You can add, remove, block, unblock, or edit area sets. You can also filter through them by area set name and time zones. To add an area set, click on Add Area Set. You will then be prompted with a search bar. Proceed by entering the area set by its name, description, or ID, and click on Search. You can also hit Enter on your keyboard. You will then be given your search results, and you may select your desired area set and click Add. You may also add multiple area sets if you wish to do so. Again, you can view your selection by simply clicking on Edit Selection. If you wish to remove an area set, click on the trash bin icon to remove it from your selected group. Once you have confirmed your area sets, you may proceed by clicking on Next. You will be given the option to edit your area sets here, according to your needs. Once you are done, you can click Finish. To remove an area set, you can select the area set or multiple area sets and click on Remove Area Set. You will then be prompted if you wish to confirm. By clicking on Confirm, your request will be processed and your selected area sets will be removed from this category. To block or unblock an area set, you simply click on the area set or multiple area sets and click on Block or Unblock Area Set. You can edit an area set by selecting a single area set you wish to edit and clicking Edit Area Set. You will be prompted with multiple options you can choose from. Once you are done editing your area set, you can click on Update to finish editing your area set. This will have concluded our tutorial on using the Access Manager's category feature.